Hey everybody,
Hi,
welcome back. And for this one, we are drawing
Agumon,
Agumon from
Digimon.
Digimon.
Well, I always want to do drawing, but I always drawing mess up.
You always wanted to draw him, but the drawing is always messed up. Well, we're gonna try this time. We're gonna get him right, okay?
Yep,
So what do we need, Izzy?
we need marker,
Markers.
crayon,
Yes, crayons.
and paper.
And paper. There we go. Okay, Izzy. So we're gonna start in the middle. We're gonna start with his eye.
Okay.
You good with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to draw a little circle over here. Got
Yeah.
that? Now we draw a reflection first. You good with that?
Yeah.
And a pupil.
Okay, people.
And the characteristic of Agumon's eye is this dark line is back on this one. Let's add a bit of shading to that side of his eye and the back. So
Oh, he's sort of like a dinosaur.
yeah, so like a dinosaur. Ooh, I'm messing this up. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it further because I'm really gonna mess it up then. So let me check your eye. That's good. That's good. Okay, so above the eye, we draw a little bulge going back there.
Then,
Okay, then a little line going across because we're shaping his head now.
yeah.
And we make another bulge there because that's where the eye on the other side would be. And we bring this line down. Wait. Yeah. We bring the line down. My apologies. There. That's good.
Yeah.
And now we add a little nostril over there. And a little nostril over there. So now we know where this line must go because it needs to go past that nostril, go out and down, and we make a mouth shape and a weird squiggly smile back there. You got it? That's
Yeah.
good, that's good.
Now, Agumon, back.
That's Agumon's mouth, yeah. And we are going to do bottom part of his mouth, just over there. And yeah, his jaw. And come down, a little bump here at the back, like a spike kind of bump. Putting the shape down and just a little.
I see it's sort of like an ear.
Like an ear. Yes, that bump is like an ear shape. And now we draw a little tooth there.
Yeah.
Another little tooth there.
Yes.
Then one going up. And then another two coming down. Let's see, that's Agumon's head. That's correct. So now this is the tricky part, Izzy.
Yeah.
So
Um,
we need to draw just a small bit of a shoulder line and the other shoulder line that side. So we know his body's going to be coming down there. So what we need to draw first is a foot right over here, like a giant foot. Remember, Agumon's got big hands and big feet
because you're a dinosaur.
because he's a dinosaur. So let's draw. Watch me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
That's toe shapes. Now we draw the toenail claws, the claws on his feet, the nails on his feet. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are on this side. We're gonna come out and down, and his giant foot is just sitting there. I'm just gonna bring it all the way. And that side as well. Just drawing a foot and the lines in between here for the toes. So we've got a big Agumon foot.
Yep.
And now we can draw this line just passing by there, just over there.
Yeah.
And from there we do a little bump,
A bump.
slight bump, and up, and spiky tail, and bring it down to this foot side.
Yeah, that's tail.
That's his tail. Now from the middle of his chest,
Yes.
we draw a line going down until there.
Yeah.
Now we do the same thing we did, the 3 bumps for the toenail claws. but we do it the other way. So it's 1,
1,
2,
2, 3.
3, and we go out and back up. So now we draw finger clues, nails of the finger. It's got 3 as well. And the lines to separate those fingers. Here we go. Can you see yours? That's nice, that's nice. Okay, so on this side, we do a little line coming down. And we do this line, we're going to bring it all the way down. And we're just going to make 2, okay? Because that one is behind the other one. So this arm, we just make 2 bumps. 1, 2. Because it's behind the other arm.
Yep.
Okay, so we make 2 fingernails. And we throw that little finger line in there. Okay? So this line needs to go up until there, and we put that there because it's a little space. That's his chest and that's his other arm.
Yep.
So we have this little triangular gap here. Now we draw the little knee bit coming out that side.
Yeah.
And again, the 1. Oh man, I had to go that way around, like this, 2 and 3. So this has to go this way around. I made a mistake there. But remember, we don't make mistakes.
We make a little happy accident.
We make happy little accidents, bros. So we bring that one down, and we bring the heel down to there. And we add those 3 clues, 3 nails. And there we have it. Does that look like Agumon?
Yep.
That looks like Agumon. Okay, get your hand out of the way so we can see. Your Agumon looks so cute, Izzy. We finally did our Agumon and it doesn't look all that messed up. It looks good.
Yeah, I remember I drew him like a thick man.
You throw him as a stick man.
Yes.
A stick man Agumon. That's good, that's good. Okay, Izzy, I think it's time for color. What color is Agumon usual?
Yellow.
He's just yellow and he's got a beautiful turquoisey green eye color.
I don't know what turquoise is.
Turquoise is this turquoise is like a color that's somewhere between blue and green.
Wait, that's teal.
Yeah, it's also called teal, but teal is a bit darker. Well, I'm confused now.
Yeah, I didn't want inside.
So these 2 can be turquoise or teal, you see? Both of these colors are stuck between blue and green. So we can make his eye that color, and we have our yellows over here. We have a whole bunch of yellows. It's almost orangey darker yellow. Okay, so let's color.
Yeah.
無限大な夢の後の何もない世の中じゃそうさ愛しい思いも負けそうになるけどステージがしないイメージだらけの頼りない翼でもきっと飛べるさ Oh my love
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our Agumon. Easy, I really like the way these came out. Are we gonna draw some more Digimon in the future? Or are we gonna draw another Pokemon or 2? We should decide on that.
Good Pokemon, then Digimon.
Then Digimon. You know what we haven't drawn? A minion. We haven't drawn minions either.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of characters to catch up with.
Yeah, and so I told him what if we throw a minion, so we didn't do that.
Yeah, you're right. We should do a minion next time. So we need to sharpen up these yellows and blues. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.